is Little Blue Truck Springtime by Alice Schertle. Wow, look at that. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep. What's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. See the baby lamb? Who's out swimming in a line? Let's find out. Yoo-hoo, duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo, goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo, cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf just born. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo, piglets 1 to 10. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo, bunny. See the bunnies? Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. See all the animals? Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good week. Bye.